how to cancel free trial on FTMO. First, you want to go to the FTMO website. I've just Google searched for it and I'm going to go to this first website, ftmo.com. Now, once you do this, you will need to go and click on client area in the top right corner. It might ask you to log into your account, which has the free trial active here. So basically, you will get your free trial number right here. You want to right click and copy this. Okay, so once you have your free trial number copied, from the left hand side, you want to scroll down until you see support. Click on support and then you want to choose send message. If you want to cancel your free trial, you will then select new ticket. The subject is going to be cancel and then you will paste the free trial number and you will say something like, I would like to cancel my free trial, and again you will paste the number right here. And then if you need to attach any images, you can take screenshots and attach them from this field. Afterwards, all you need to do is click on send and they will cancel the free trial for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.